Guys, welcome to a video. Welcome to the MKG channel. And the M stands for Micaiah, the K stands for Keira, and the G stands for Gabby. And today we're going to be mixing random things into one of our slimes that we don't really want.
Pieces of slime.
So I'm going to be using...
And yeah, we made this like a while ago.
Yeah.
We made this a while ago.
I'm going to be using this slime. She's using this slime, and she's using her jiggly slime.
And we put some blue glitter, as you can see.
Ooh. So the first thing...
This is some of my slime.
This is not
I don't even have...
First of all.
Can't even take all my
This is super sticky.
Alright, if y'all want to see my slime, this is my slime right here.
This is not... Why is it so sticky? I just added...
Oh yeah, we should tell this one. And make sure you guys live in
You're getting your weaving.
Huh? That's my hair.
That's not your real hair,
But yeah, make sure you guys go comment down below if you want to make us make more slime videos and prank more.
Yeah, we're doing a prank war video next week on Saturday. Well, this week on Saturday.
And guess who spilled coffee on me? Coffee? Man, we're not even allowed to drink coffee. I always drink coffee. Every morning I drink coffee. And yeah, make sure you guys. And you spilled it.
I feel sick.
Make sure you guys subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Let's get this video to 600,000 likes. I mean,
okay, just because it's our first video, not a lot of people are gonna watch it. So let's get this to like
160,000.
160,000.
Yes.
No.
Just 1,000 likes. How about that?
No. Just 10 likes because now you know we ain't even gonna get
your dad. Micaiah, your dad. No, it's my dad. You got all your stuff in sometimes?
So I'm adding the talkies.
You do?
They did us.
You gonna take them in?
I got a bag.
Okay, so I added a talkie in this.
A talkie?
You sure you got everything in your hair on?
Okay, I added a talkie in this and it's sticky now. It has a good popping noise.
Alright, Micaiah just left and bye Micaiah!
Bye, Micaiah!
Bye Micaiah!
So yeah, we're adding a talkie in the slime and here we go.
Nobody say bye to Micaiah.
I did.
Okay, sorry. I didn't tell you I was talking about.
Oh my god.
I got the biggest forehead.
This is not a slime anymore. I added a talkie.
Oh my gosh, look at that. It's red. Wait, let me see it.
It's purple.
Now what is it? What is that?
Get the tie. Get the tie.
You get the tie. Stop.
Oh, I can sure get the tie. We're finna get in trouble because she's gonna get me a tie.
Here.
Open it.
Oh no. Again, I hate slime.
She is really good.
No.
Be quiet.
Oh,
I mean, we wouldn't be getting in trouble if you would have just gave me it.
You
Queens can't give people stuff.
Hey.
I'm finna throw this away.
Mama's gonna whoop us.
Give me a napkin, honey. Give me a napkin.
Okay, give me a napkin and I'll give it to her right now. No. I bet it is very good.
Give it to me.
Here you go. Oh, the rag.
I need more, Kate.
Now, if y'all want to see, I'm setting my slime down.
Alright. Yeah, but we're cleaning up some slime that we did.
Now I got 2 plus 6.
Because adding a talkie is not the best thing to do.
Adding a talkie is very bad.
Yeah. I think I learned my lesson of adding a talkie to slime.
Well, Bianca and Damien did it.
They turned to water, didn't they? Why would you tell me to do it if you know what? Yeah, but we're gonna stop this video in 10 minutes. But we finna add some different stuff to slime, still. Pull the camera down for me. so you can see the mess.
Alright, y'all need to look at this beautiful slime right here. I'm fit to show it to you. Just look right here. Look at me, it's Keira. Right here.
Here, stop moving the camera. I just put it there for a reason.
Oh. Slime was finna fall off the table. And
I had to grow, man. Hey, there! Am I getting on y'all nerves?
yeah, a little bit.
For real?
Yeah, a
I
little bit.
thought you were my friend in the front room. You were my friend.
I'm still your friend.
You just hurt my feelings, man. She
All
hurt my
right.
feelings, though. She just hurt my feelings.
Okay. Give me a hug. I'm sorry.
Okay, she my homegirl again.
Why you grabbing my slime, girl? Why'd you take my slime? Where's my slime? Where's my slime? Give me my slime.
How these kids' phone been in mine?
Thank you.
Man, they got better phones.
Oh, dang. Your hand's hot.
Okay. So we finna play with another slime, but we're not gonna add nothing to it. Because
Yeah, we're not going to add anything. We're just going to be playing with our slime. Let me scoot over.
it's got good.
Oh, my gosh.
Don't even move the camera either. Don't even move the camera. So we're gonna do some ASMR.
Keira.
Yeah, sit down.
Gabby, guess what we watched? PBS
Sit down. The camera's still on. Okay. I'm finna try and do a bubble.
I want to try to do that. How did you do that?
Stop!
It's poppy.
Go over here, right here. Cause I'm trying to do something. You're messing it up. Okay, so let me redo that without her having to get into the video.
Dang! Oh my gosh, I want to touch that. Can I touch the next one?
I'm gonna add some soap because. Okay.
That was making it even stickier.
I'm making it it's making it bubbly. So I'm gonna make it bubblier. So I added some extra soap, the brand extra. I would sponsor them, but you know, I'm fine.
Who's that what?
Nothing. So let me show y'all now that I added. It's hard now.
This is getting a little fun. Oh my gosh, it's gonna make a big.
It wouldn't
I
matter.
even noticed that glitter was in here.
I just put it in there in a minute. When it's really hard now, so we're gonna use a different slime to do a bubble with. Show y'all my poking skills in a minute.
Me too.
She has no poking skills. So.
Be quiet. Please talk about somebody.
Yeah, it's like no. You know what your slime is. So here's the different one. Has no glitter. It's my jiggly slime. I added a lot of water. No, because that would just make it hot. So this one should make bigger bubbles, so we're gonna do that. It's actually pretty jiggly. Let me show you guys. So
Can you show me now?
So it's a little jiggly, but something really happened with it. So
Okay,
so
so
we
this
finish
one was.
it.
So just throw it on the ground, pat it some. The most hottest
Stop.
cookie of ever.
You're not even in the camera either. Listen, don't even come over here to the camera. Wait, I need to put it back on me because. Okay, so I'm gonna see if I can do it with this.
He's moving to you. Did you make it?
It's like
Oh, I made a big bubble.
putty. It's like putty, but like stretchy,
Jumping
like
this way, I'm jumping that too.
unstretchy putty.
Okay.
And it's sticky so that like
What you working with? Jump that body. Wrong.
so it does have a little bit of glitter in it because like I don't know. Like I said, something.
Oh my gosh, that was cool. That's free.
I was gonna stop this video at 10 minutes, but we're gonna stop it at like 15.
Because it's 10 minutes right now. So.
I like this one more. And the top is stuck. Cause like, okay. So we're gonna put my jiggly slime back up.
You gonna play with your muffins?
And I'm using these little containers. My muffin slime I had to throw it away. Cause I added a Taki. Duh.
Oh, I forgot all about that.
Okay, I'm gonna need help naming these slimes, so I'm gonna name them on this video.
My name is Glittery.
This one's my favorite.
Dad, what color is that? This one's Glittery.
Look at your slime.
Yay!
Look at this bubble. Like you should have saw how big it was.
Hold on, how did you do that?
Like this. Flatten it out. Pull it.
Hold on, I can't do all of that now.
You have to keep doing it so you get a bit. So yeah.
Flatten it out. Pull it.
I'm gonna show y'all my cousin's slime real quick.
Hello.
His slime is good. He made it, and it's like warm, and his is fluffy slime. So this is like a little different from ours because he made fluffy slime.
Here, you can touch it. You did.
So
And it's sticky.
it's really warm.
Because my mama,
What you do?
she kept on doing. That's it. She kept on crumbling it up.
His mom messed it up or something. Well, my auntie messed it up. Something happened because
Thank
it's
you.
not fluffy anymore. It doesn't even feel fluffy anymore. But can you wait?
Texting me.
So let me show y'all his slime. What do you want to name yours? Buttercream? Blue buttercream slime?
Yeah. It can't make no bubbles. It cannot make bubbles. And it's very, very extra sticky. It's very
I'm going to make a sandwich.
stickier than ours. Than
So
theirs.
it's
It's like very, very sticky.
made with
Sticky.
white glue, so it's not clear.
That's so
Can you
good,
tell
guys.
her?
Guys,
Tell her
make
to
sure.
follow us
Oh, and
after we post this.
and it's also 2Ks in here.
So, we are actually finna stop this video because, yeah.
Look how
So,
sticky my slime is.
we'll leave our like Instagram and Musically names and Snapchat names in the description box.
This is how sticky you make my slime.
But
This is how sticky you make my slime. That's how I like it.
make sure you follow us and our pants. Well, her pants are in the back. Bye.